Good morning students. What we have learned in the previous topic, previous class. So we learned kinds of plants. Okay, different kinds of plants we learned. Okay, so plants need water, air, sunlight and get the carbon dioxide and then prepare their own food. So our green friends. So in this lesson we have learned different types of different kinds of plants. Okay, some plants are very small, some plants are woody, some plants are big and tall, some plants are weak stem, some plants are grow need to anyone support. So we can learn different types of plants in this lesson. So small plants are called herbs, some plants are woody, so that type of plants are called shrub, and then some plants need anyone support because of their stems are very weak, so there is a glimpers, and then some plants are grow along the ground, creep along the ground, so that is called the creepers, and then big and tall plants are called trees. So different kinds of plants we learn in this lesson. Okay, so today we are going to learn in this lesson book exercise. Are you ready? Yes. First Roman letter. Circle the correct option for each of these. Circle the correct option for each of these. Name the part of a plant that grows into a new plant. Name the part of a plant. Which part of the plant is grow into a new plant? For option 1, flower, bud, leaf, seed. Which part is used to grow into a new plant? Yes, seed. Seed is grow into a new plant. So this is a correct answer. The seed is grow into a new plant. The name of the name the part of a plant that grows into a new plant. So that is seed. Second question. Which of these is not the part of a plant? Which of these is not the part of a plant? Option 1, stem. Option 2, leaf. Option 3, water. Option 4, root. Here your question is which of these is not the part of a plant. இது எது வந்து part of a plant இல்லைன்னு கேட்டிருக்கு. Option 1, stem. Option 2, leaf. Option 3, water. Option 4, root. So which one is not of the plant in these options? The third one, water. Water is not of the plant. So stem is one of the plant part, leaf is one of the plant part and root is one of the plant part. Is that except water. So water alone is not a plant part. So this answer is water. Third question. Which of these is not a type of a plant? Which of these is not a type of a plant? Idhula edu type of a plant illa? Option 1, tree. Option 2, herbs. Option 3, seeds. Option 4, shrubs. So which is not a part of a plant? Type of a plant. Tree is one of the type of a plant. Herbs also one of the type of a plant. Shrubs also one of the type of a plant. Seeds is part of the plant. So which answer is correct here? So that option 3, seeds. Okay. Option 3, seeds. And then fourth one. Name the part of a plant that grows under the ground. Under கீழே. So name the part of a plant that grows under the ground. Option 1, leaf. Option 2, fruit. Option 3, stem. Option 4, root. So which part is grow under the ground? Yes, that is the root. That root is grow under the ground. Okay. So once again I repeat. Circle the correct option for each of these. Name the part of a plant that grows into a new plant. Option 1, flower, bud, leaf. So which one is correct answer? Seed. Seed is grow into a new plant. Second question. Which of these is not the part of a plant? Idhula edu part of a plant illa? So option 1, stem. Option 2, leaf. Option 3, water. Option 4, root. So water is not a part of a plant. So this is one of the thing and then natural thing. And then third question. Which of these is not a type of a plant? Option 1, tree. Option 2, herbs. Option 3, seeds. Option 4, shrubs. So which one is not this part of a plant? Seeds. Type of a plant, not a type of a plant seeds. Name the part of a plant that grows under the ground. Leaf, fruit, stem, root. So which part is grow under the ground? That is root. And then write T for true. Okay. And then F for false. Here some sentences, statements are given. You read the statement and then the statement is correct means we mention T. That is false means we mention F. Okay. First one, the stem is known as the kitchen of the plant. Okay. Here given the stem is known as the kitchen of the plant. So this statement is true or false? This is false. Because of which is the kitchen of the plant? Leaves. Okay, leaf is the known as the kitchen of the plant. So this statement is false. So here mention F. Okay. Second question. We need food to grow. We need food to grow. We need food. We know we need food to grow and live. So this statement is true or false? Yes, this is true. So here mention T. Next one. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. This is true or false? Yes, different types of plants have different types of leaves, different shapes and sizes of leaves. Okay, so this statement is true. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. So this is also true. And then fourth one, plants prepare their food during night. Plants prepare their food during night. When the plants are prepare their food, that is the daytime. So that only, the daytime only trap the sunlight. Okay, so the main important ingredients of sunlight. So the daytime only plants prepare their food. Here the statement is given, plants prepare their food during night. Plants வந்து night time தான் food prepare பண்ண சொல்லிருக்கு. So this statement is true or false? Yes, this is false. Next question. Herbs are big plants. Herbs are big plants. This is true or false? False. Herbs are small plants. Okay, herbs are small and soft and green stems. Okay, these types of plants have soft and green stems. So this stems are very soft. So herbs are called as small plants. Here given herbs are big plants. So this statement is true or false? This is false. Next question. Glymbers have weak stems. Glymbers have weak stems. So this is true or false? Yes, this is true. Glymbers and creepers have weak stems. Okay. So this statement is true. And the next one is creepers grow into shrubs. Creepers grow into shrubs. So this statement is true or false? Creepers grow into creep on the ground. Here given shrubs. So this is false. And then eighth one, trees are tall and strong plants. Trees are tall and strong plants. So this statement is true or false? Yes, this is true. That is big and tall plants are called trees. So this statement is true. And then eighth one, pumpkin and watermelon plants are glympers. Pumpkins and watermelon plants are glympers. This is true or false? This is false, because of that pumpkin and watermelons are coming under in the creepers. Because of the creepers or big fruits and vegetables spear some plants, some weak stem plants. So that is called the creepers. Pumpkin when they so that is bear in a big fruit, and then watermelon also big fruit. So these stems are very weak. So that only that plants are creep along the ground. So don't climb on the trees or wall, because so their stems weak, don't carry these fruits and vegetables. So that only these types of plants are creep on the ground. So that pumpkin and watermelon plants are creepers, not a climbers. Okay, climbers means climb on the trees or big wall. So here given pumpkin and watermelon plants are climbers. So this statement is true or false? Yes, this is false. And then third one, fill in the blanks. Okay, third Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First question, rubber is an example of a dash. Rubber is an example of a dash. Rubber is an example of a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Rubber is an example of a tree. And then second question, spinach is an example of a dash. Spinach, kirai. Okay, spinach is an example of a dash. Which type of plant? Spinach. So this is a herbs. Okay, spinach are very small plants. They have a soft stem, green color stem. So that is called a herbs. These type of plants coming under in the herbs. Spell the word herbs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. And then next question is, dash is an ornamental plant. Okay, dash is an ornamental plant. Say some examples of ornamental plants. That rose and hibiscus are examples of ornamental plants. This is this coming under in the shrubs. Okay, so rose is an ornamental. Ornamental means that is the beautiful, that decoration காக வளர்க்குற grow பண்ற. So ornamental plant. And then fourth question is, creepers dash on the ground. Creepers dash on the ground. Creepers creep on the ground. என்ன பண்ணும்? Creepers already earlier I told, so that they bear the big fruits and vegetables, so that only they creep on the ground. Creep, C-R-E-P-E-E-P, creep, C-R-E-E-P, creep on the ground. And then fifth one, dash prepare food for the plant. Leaves prepare food for the plant. So that only leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant. Okay, leaves prepare food for the plant. So that only leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant. And then sixth question, dash live for many years. Dash type of plants live for many years? Trees. Okay, trees or live for many years. Spell the word trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees or live for many years. And then dash are the miniature of big trees grown in pots or containers. Big trees ஒரு pot containerல so குட்டியா grow பண்றாங்க. So that type of plants are called bonsai. B-O-N-S-A-I. So this also decorative plant. நமக்கு big houses la they are all grow. And then bonsai plant or they miniature of the big trees grown in pots or containers. And then eighth one, we get food from dash. We get food from plants. Spell the word plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Okay, so once again I repeat, fill in the true or false and then fill in the blanks. Write A for true and A for false statements. First question, the stem is known as the kitchen of a plant. So this is false. Second one, we need food to grow. We need food to grow. So this is true. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. So this is also true. And then plants prepare their food during night. So this is also false. Okay, plants prepare their food during daytime. Herbs are big plants. So this is also false. Okay, herbs are small plants. Climbers have weak stems. So this is true. Okay, climbers have weak stems. Creepers grow into shrubs. So this is false. Creepers creep on the ground. And then trees are tall and strong plants. So this is true. And then pumpkin and watermelon plants are climbers. So this is false. Pumpkin and watermelon plants are creepers. And then next one is fill in the blanks. Rubber is an example of a tree. And then spinach is an example of a herbs. Okay, spinach is an example of a herbs. Rose is an ornamental plant. Creepers creep on the ground. And then leaves prepare food for the plant. And then trees are live for many years. Bonsai are the miniature of a big trees grown in pots or containers, and we get food from plants. Okay, I hope all of you understand this book exercise very well. You must complete in your book exercise, okay, and then send it in my personal numbers. Okay, thank you.